Welcome back users. In today's video we will start to check out the Fedora design suite Linux distro. This will be the most exciting check of Linux distro we have done in the last 15 days. So let us start. We open it with boxes. Okay, we have to check for the Fedora template. Yes, Fedora is there. Click on the next button. We increase the allocated RAM size to 4 GB and HDD virtual HDD to 25 GB. Hit the create button. Okay, so we will not check the desktop, but first we will install, and in the next video we will do the detailed review of the Fedora design suite desktop. So let us hit the install to hard drive button. So we will be greeted by the Anaconda installer. We choose English, India as the choice. Continue ahead. So automatic disk partitioning is selected. We can do a custom install, custom partitioning using the advanced custom Bootloader GUI. So click on that. Then okay, this opens up the disk partitioner. So first we will add. Okay, so first we will add, let us do in MBs. We add a 300 MB BIOS boot because we are not chosen the EFI option when we started to make a virtual machine. So we will have to use a BIOS boot here. Okay, we select OK. Then choose the free space and then make a swap space. So for swap space it will be, you can use 4 GB. You can also label it as a swap. Okay. And hit the OK button. This done. Now you have to go for the root partition creation. So rest of the HDD space you can put it for your root partition. So we have a selection available for BTRFS extended to 3, 4, LVM, VFAT, XFS. So we choose the extended 4, which is the default choice for most of the Linux distros. Then we choose the mount as // label as system. We can label this partition as system. Now we hit OK. Now the partitioning is done. We have to hit the done button 2 times. Okay, so now it is giving summary. So it will create a MS-DOS partition. Create a, yes, that will be VDA1. VDA2 is the swap space, and VDA3 will be the our root partition. So this you can see VDA1, 2, 3. First it will create the partition, format and create partition table, then the partition itself, and then it will create this BIOS boot swap and extended 4. Okay, so summary of changes, you have to accept it, or if you don't agree with this, or there is some mistake, you can go back and redo the partitioning, but we have done perfect. We just accept the changes. Now custom partitioning is selected. You have to attend to all the red characters written here. So now the root account is disabled. So what we do is we will keep the root account disabled only. Click, it is not allowing. So we will have to enable the root account. So root password will be very simple for the review purposes. Okay, it is not accepting. Okay, now it has accepted. Hit the done button twice. Now the user won't be created. User will be created when when the installation has finished and the first boot is done. So now you have to just begin the installation. This Anaconda installer is very what we can say, very fast, and also very simple. Once you understand it, then it is very simple. You should first understand. If you want to do custom partitioning, then you have to choose the GUI, custom GUI. Otherwise, you will not know where to enter for the custom partitioning. GUI you have to remember. Now the installation is going on. It is very fast. I can tell you it will finish in 5-10 minutes, not more than that. Installation of software is completed. Now it is configuring the storage. Now the bootloader installation has started. Okay, now it is configuring the installed system. The installation should finish very soon. maybe the next half a minute. Okay, now it is generating the init RAM FS. That is the file system that it is loaded in inside the RAM when the system boots up. That is init RAM FS. That is the RAM file system. Initial RAM file system. It is running post installation scripts that should finish very soon. Once the installation completes, we will stop the video here, and in the next video we will do the detailed review of Fedora Designer Suite. Okay, so the installation is finished. We stop our video here. See you in the next video where we will do the detailed review of Fedora Designer Suite. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.